Good morning, Yetu. So, for today's lesson of ICT, we still on topic 2.3 is about using text boxes. Lesson objectives of today is you can change the color of the text box, arrange the text box to create meaningful words, use mouse and arrow key to move the text box. So I would like to explain about what are the things related to the lesson objectives of these three. So in the previous lesson, you have learned how to change the color of the text box. Remember, you change the alternate color between two boxes. It means by now you know how to change the color of the text box. We go more. So success criteria of today, you have three. First, I can change the color of the text box. Number two, you can arrange the text box in a position. And number three is about you can move the text using mouse and arrow key. So before you start completing the today work of this one, so I would like to explain first what it means by all these three success criteria or lesson objectives for today about change, arrange, and move the text box. So the first, you know how to change the color of the text box. So don't bother about the letter inside the box. And the first success criteria means you can change the color of the text box. In order to change the color of the text box, you click the text box, and then you go to the shape format, and then you choose the fill color you want. Okay, this is how to change the color of the text box. This is the first success criteria. Okay, so you can change to any color you want, and also you can do the alternate like we do last time. Also can. So for example, I want to make this blue, this yellow, this blue. So you want I going to yellow, and this one going to blue. Okay, so that the first one. And the second is about arrange the text box. Arrange means you can move the location of the text box. This is because when using text box, we can move the text around the page. So arrange means you can move like this, you can move like this, you can move like this. It's all arranged. So click the text box, use the left click of the mouse and hold it. And it's how you're going to move the text around the page using the text box. Okay, so it's arrange. So you can arrange your text box. Okay, this all is about arrangement. So this is a success criteria number 2. Okay, so the third one is about move the text to the left, to the right, to up and down. To arrange, you can use the arrow keys. Can you find the arrow keys on your keyboard? So normally the position of this one is at the right side of your keyboard. So we have up, this one is up, this is down, this is left, this is right. And also normally we use mouse to change the position of the text box. For example, I want to move this A going down. So if I want to go down, I can use mouse and go down. Okay, and also go mouse to go up. But also you can use the arrow key. So example, I want to go down, I can move step by step the A to go to the new position. So click the text box and then you use your arrow key and go down. Okay, so this one way to move, another way to move the text box on the page. And then if I want to make this near to the B all the C near to the A, I can use the left and the right. So I click the text box and go to near. And this one is I want to use the mouse first. And then I can use the arrow key to go down. So the difference using mouse and arrow key is the how much you want to move the box. If you want to move the box far away, so you should use your mouse. But if you want to only want to move the box not so far from the previous position, you can use the arrow key, either left or right or up or down. Okay, so this what are the things that you need to know before we do the work of today. So we come back to the post. There with what you're going to do is you're going to do something like this, and when you click one more attachment, you can click this worksheet and download the worksheet and open it. If you have any problem to find the worksheet, please let me know.